Let's talk about the differences between confidence and arrogance. First, let's define what is confidence. Confidence is knowing your worth without needing to prove it, while arrogance is you thought that you're better than others, but you don't even prove any of them. So, I will share my story about both of them because I know I've experienced both. So let's start first with the confidence. Back when I was in junior high, I used to have the mindset of a leader. Um, I used to help my classmates to improve their social I to improve their academic performances and boost their confidence. And also of course I did that because I know that I am confident at myself because I discipline myself first before helping them. And I have one friend that I am proud of that I helped him because she became strong today and she is now can handle her life independently and I was proud of it. And arrogance came when senior high school begins, my senior high life begins. It started when my friend engaged me to a circumstances that not in my plan. So I end up getting pressured and at the same time because I wanted to protect myself, I end up to see myself as higher than them and because of that my life broke with that just one mistake. So my lesson that the lesson that I got those experiences is do not don't try to be do not be an arrogant person because one day you will realize that being silent is better than being mm, talkative and being and working in silence is better than saying what are your plans. And conclusion, I'm still glad that I experienced those because it made me see the perspective of both mm, of both perspective.